So this is the public restroom at the Delaware Botanic Garden at Pepper Creek, and it is an award-winning building. It was designed by a major architect who did it pro bono for the garden. It is a fabulous space. There's a wall of ferns separating the men's and the women's area. When you're at the sinks, you get to look out into the beautiful natural environment. It is just exquisitely designed and executed, and it's just one more thing to add to a beautiful garden here in southern Delaware. And our students get to ingest this concept of all of the accoutrements that go on in a garden to make a space usable for people, from the simple things like having paths through the woods to the much more exquisite and complicated things like having an award-winning restroom.
The restroom here at the Delaware Botanic Gardens was really incredible. There was a lot of really cool stuff. I especially enjoyed the living plant wall that was all watered and maintained by the rain garden on top of the roof of the restroom. Seeing something like the bathroom at the Delaware Botanic Gardens really allows me to consider all the possibilities when designing a space that really incorporates things other than just the plants, and really taking into consideration how the public is going to interact with the space.